YouTube, what is up? I am Rello and you're not tuned in to Rello World. With yet another vlog, man. Man, YouTube, I recorded a whole video and lost half the footage, but of me installing the tow mirrors, I'm gonna give you most of the footage that I got from it. But it was basically me doing a mod to the truck, which I think came out pretty decent. I'm about to show you a nighttime version of it real quick. But yeah, these are the tow mirrors that I installed. See how I got the little LED light in the front, which I think is gonna be too bright. I might have to cut that off. But yeah, those are the tow mirrors that I installed. It really lighted up in the back. Like I said, I lost half the footage, but I'm gonna give y'all most of the footage that I got right now. While I had the door panels off, I went ahead and painted this up. I already had this painted, but I went ahead and painted the speaker cover black, because it's a beige color, so I painted it black just to change it up a little bit, man. I like to change stuff up. You know what I'm saying? I don't too much like to be the same all the time, but yeah, that's how they was. I'm gonna take those off and probably paint them black. And I might end up doing all of the carpet black.
Photo. No. Hi.
Okay. And get black for the headliner, but yeah, man, that's what I'm on today. I'm working on. But yeah, man, I kind of like it though. It's decent. I kind of like it. It's decent. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and I'll get back with you. Yeah, for those wanting to know, it's a simple process, you know. got 3 little bolts holding it in, and this little clip in the middle that you squeeze in to push the old one out. Take this wire down right here. Well, first you gotta take the door panel off.
Really, nigga?
But you take those 3 bolts out. Them same 3 bolts on the other one, the new one. And these wires, you just plug them in, same way the other ones was. Only thing that's different is this extra wire and for the light, I'm guessing, because it ain't come with no instructions. So yeah, man. Thanks DNA, motoring, whatever the fuck you call it. But yeah, you ain't getting no instructions, so I'm winging it. But pretty simple process, man. Let me get this one on and I'll get back with you. Yeah, I'm back. Not so bad. Easy little mod to do. But yeah, I got it all put back together. That's how it's looking right now. As of right now, I'm gonna go with that for now, but I think I'm gonna do a little more to this. Put a little bit more black into it, cause I want to get the headliner redone in black, and I might do the star ceilings in that. So yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit more black into it. But yeah, easy little mods to do, man. I gotta find this cap for this screw, cause I don't know what the hell I did with it.
Oh, hell no!
But that's the shit you go through when you're dealing with that. A little easy mod, you know. I like it, man. I think it makes it look a little bit more aggressive. Easy. Yeah. I ended up hooking up the light to just regular power when the truck come on, cause you know, I just wanted to see how it looked, but I might leave it like that. Depends on how many cars be honking at me if it's too bright or whatever, but I might leave it like that. Yeah. That's how it ends up. Got the blinkers. Yeah, but overall I like it, man. I think it give it a little bit more aggressive look. I'm gonna have to change out these headlights next. You know, them things, they're old, so I'm gonna get some new ones. And probably do the same thing I did with my Mustang. I might build my own headlights, but we'll see how that goes. I wanna get some rock lights under there. But first I want to get the rims. I might just go ahead and get the rock lights and put them on, but I wanted to get the rims first. But yeah, man. That's it. Easy little mod you can do to your truck. But nah, man, I gotta go ahead and wash this thing on up, get it all detailed, and maybe enjoy it for the rest of the day. But Yeah, I gotta wash it on up, man. It's real dirty. Alright, I got it all cleaned up. That's what she looking like. Oh yeah. I like that little cheap, easy, simple mod. Making it look aggressive, starting to look like a truck. Yeah. Wait till I put them tires on there, but hey, that's another story. But yeah, man, that's a simple way to fix up your truck. Yeah, I like it though, man. Got it all cleaned up, so only thing left to do, you know what I'm saying, you get it all cleaned up, you just look at it for a second.
Oh, look at this. What are you wiping the windows? Oh, look at that. That's nice and shiny.
You take it out and enjoy it, you know. But yeah. Yes, sir. My baby looking right. You feel me? But yeah, man. I got it all cleaned up and whatever, and yeah, all that's left to do is enjoy it, you know. Oh, let me show you. One more time. Yeah. See how I did that thing with the Bosch Bose or whatever the hell it's called. But yeah, man. That looks amazing. I love that. Oh, with the big screen. Not with the big screen. Yeah, I did that too. Check out my earlier video, you know. Oh, the other side done. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, check out some of my other videos. Like I said, if you're browsing, hit that subscribe button. You know, hit the like button. Comments are appreciated. And what up? Yeah, man. In traffic. Like I said, man. Oh, big screen, big screen. Yeah, man, like I said, all that's left to do is just get out there and enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you forget to, you know what I'm saying, just enjoy life. Things you work hard for, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy them. You feel me? That's what I do in my spare time, is enjoy the things that I work hard for. You know, and no destination, just I get there when I get there. But hey, man, I'm out here enjoying this thing, man, because there's people out here that ain't pushing this big Rado that I'm pushing, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? People out there that got it way worse. It could be worse. And yeah, man, you just gotta get out there and enjoy life. And that's what it's all about. We work hard for them, so why not? Oh, big screen, yo. I enjoy the fuck out of it. I work hard for it. But yeah, man, sometimes we forget to enjoy the things that we have in life. Appreciate the things that you do have in life, you know? Like this big Rado. Ooh, boy. Yes, sir. I love this thing, man. It's gotta be my favorite. But yeah, man, sometimes you just gotta get out here and enjoy yourself. It don't matter the situations or whatever. Get out there and enjoy yourself, man. Ride, pull off in traffic, you know. You know what I'm saying? I'm just out in traffic right now, man. Hit the stove, man, probably grab me a drink and whatever and cruise for a little bit. But yeah, man, this has been a Rello World vlog. And I appreciate y'all that are watching. Those of y'all that are watching, those of y'all that are watching and just browsing, man, hit that subscribe button for me. And let's bring more and more videos to this channel. I promise you I will. And yeah, man, just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Comments are appreciated. I promise you they are. Yeah, man. Like I said, this has been a Rello World vlog. And I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'm out.